Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
Hi, this is Kevin with RVFix. Today we're going to take a look at summarizing our Jayco 261BHS. So to begin with, you're going to want to put some water in the fresh tank. It doesn't have to be full. We already have about a third of a tank in there. And then we're going to make sure our tankless water heater's turned off over here as well. We don't want that kicking on until after we got the antifreeze out. So we just want to make sure that switch is in the off position. All right, water pump switch is just right up above us right here. One thing to always check on these as well, if you didn't winterize it yourself, our water pump right here underneath the kitchen sink, there is a panel I moved out of the way as well, but our water pump's just right down here. You can see our winterizing valve. That was still in the winterizing position, so I had to move it from pointing at this hose back in line with the pump, and that's just so we're drinking water from that fresh tank. We'll go ahead and kick this water pump on. Once it gets all pressurized up, we're just going to go through each one of our fixtures and run all the pink out. And I just switched it over to cold right there. Like I said, even though it looks really foamy coming out, you can tell down here that it's just clear water. Go back to that hot real quick just to make sure. Yeah, there is a little bit more foam still coming out. Like I said, if you can't tell right here, you can usually tell in those white basins pretty easy. All right, we're going to go ahead and go run everything else. All right. Switching over to the cold. And we head into our bathroom. Go ahead and flush the toilet till we get nice clear water coming out of there. And we just got to do the same thing with our shower faucet. And once we got it all nice and clear out of there, only other thing on this one is we do have an outside shower, so we can go ahead and get that cleaned out. And besides our outside shower over there, you want to come and make sure you get your spray port. Just a quick connect on there. Once you got everything running clear, we want to make sure you get your water heater turned on. So when you're ready to use it, you can always go turn it on from the controller inside. Other than that, just do your pre-trip inspections, checking tires, checking torque, checking seals, checking lights. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.